Hi, I'm Dan, and I've been working with restaurants of all sizes to help them offer a touch-free experience. In this video, I'll discuss why QR codes are instrumental in building a contactless menu system. To limit the spread of the coronavirus, one of the CDC's guidelines is to replace physical menus with QR codes or disposable menus. By far, QR codes are a favorite. And here's why businesses small and big choose QR code menus over disposable ones. First, they're cost-effective compared to printing thousands of menu cards. Your ROI of investing in a QR code menu is significantly higher than individual printed menus. Second, they're flexible. Let's say you want to mark an item on the menu as sold out, or add dishes to the list, or display different menus for breakfast and dinner throughout the day. You can do all of that with a QR code. Third, and most important, diners feel safer to view a menu on their smartphone instead of touching a disposable printed menu, which may still stand a chance to be contaminated. QR code menus work seamlessly. The first step is to create a QR code menu using the Beaconstac dashboard. I'll walk you through the process of creating one in just a little while. Once your QR code menus are ready, you can place them on all your tables, by the restaurant entrance, or at the order counter. Guests can scan the QR code and view the menu on their smartphone. They choose the dishes they'd like to order, and the server takes the order just as they usually do. Let's jump to the Beaconstac dashboard and create a QR code menu now. This is the dashboard you'll need to access in order to create a QR code menu. Click on the Create a QR Code button in the top right. On the next screen, you'll have a number of different options of how you can upload your menu to the QR code. You could simply link directly to your website. You could take a picture of your menu and upload it to the QR code that way. Let's keep it simple and just do it through a PDF. So we'll click the PDF button, and here we can add the file that is our menu. We can simply choose the menu, upload it to the QR, and that's it. Your QR code is ready. We also offer customization. You could design your QR code and give it a different look. We give you templates of blue, black, green, or red to choose from. You can change the color and the shape of the eyes. Maybe instead of square, you want to use a circle. You could also add a splash of color to be more in line with your branding. We also enable you to upload your logo and have it sit directly on the face of the QR. We could choose different patterns. Maybe we want to use a diamond shape or a circular shape. We could add background colors or images. And you could also add a frame to your QR code, letting your audience know how they should engage. Once the QR codes are ready, you could download them as a PNG, EPS, or SVG and save them. Now you've successfully created your QR code. You can share it to your social media, rename it, download it, and you're done. Do you already have a static QR code? Here's why you should consider upgrading it to a dynamic one. A dynamic QR code is flexible, which means you can paste a QR code menu on the table and change what it points at. The QR code can point to a breakfast menu in the morning and to a dinner menu in the evening. With dynamic QR codes, you can also talk to your diners in their preferred language. This means if a diner has Spanish as their preferred language on their phone, you could display a menu that's in Spanish. Last but not least, you could track scans based on time and location and gather analytics about your diner's behavior. This not only helps you optimize your restaurant functioning, but also helps you personalize offerings for your users. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day.